Did you know that according to a study by Deloitte, hedge funds that leverage AI for investment analysis and decision-making have outperformed traditional hedge funds by 2.5% annually from 2019 to 2023? That's because AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data, identify patterns, and source new investment opportunities that humans might often miss. Hi, my name is Steve Perrys, and together with our faculty director, we would like to invite you to join us for our Chartered AI Investment Analyst program. To begin the course, we'll explore the synergy between AI principles and investment analysis, dive into Python programming for financial analysis, and use natural language processing to extract insights from unstructured financial data. Next, you'll learn how to leverage advanced deep learning architectures and AI techniques to develop sophisticated risk management strategies, giving you a competitive edge in the market. As you progress through the course, you'll master advanced natural language processing techniques for financial text analysis, enabling you to uncover valuable insights hidden within vast amounts of unstructured data. You'll even learn how to apply large language models and generative AI technologies in investment analysis. This will empower you to access and process data sources from diverse channels and enhance your investment decision-making capabilities. Upon completing this program, you'll attain the Chartered AI Investment Analyst or CAI designation. This certification will demonstrate your expertise in integrating cutting-edge AI technologies into investment analysis and portfolio risk management. What's more, this certification has lifelong validity. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss this opportunity to revolutionize your investment strategies with the power of AI. Register today and become a leader in AI-driven investment analysis.